Welcome back to Luxurious Car Info, your go-to place for premium and modern vehicle insights. Today, we're exploring the 2026 Kia Carnival 8-seater, a vehicle that perfectly balances luxury, versatility, and family practicality. Kia has taken bold steps to ensure that the new Carnival doesn't just serve as a family van but positions itself as a premium alternative to SUVs, offering comfort, style, and performance all in one. The exterior of the 2026 Carnival immediately makes a strong impression. Unlike the typical minivan design, Kia has crafted the Carnival with SUV-inspired styling that gives it an upscale personality. The signature tiger nose grille at the front is larger and more refined, paired with slim LED headlights and striking daytime running lights that create a modern face. The sculpted hood and bold bumper design give it a muscular stance, while chrome accents add a premium touch. From the side profile, the long body is sleek and well-proportioned, with a floating roof design and stylish 19-inch alloy wheels. Even the sliding doors blend smoothly into the design, ensuring it doesn't carry the boxy look associated with older MPVs. At the rear, a full-width LED light bar and sporty spoiler finish the design with a futuristic edge. Overall, the Carnival manages to look practical and stylish, appealing to families who also want sophistication in their daily drives. Under the hood, the 2026 Carnival offers powertrains designed for both strength and efficiency. A refined V6 petrol engine provides smooth power delivery and confident highway performance, while hybrid options are available in select markets to deliver better fuel economy without compromising on torque. The driving experience is tuned for comfort, with Kia focusing on ride quality and stability. Whether you're navigating city traffic or cruising on highways, the Carnival feels composed and easy to handle. The suspension absorbs bumps gracefully, and the steering is light yet precise, making this large vehicle surprisingly maneuverable. Safety is also a major highlight, with advanced driver assist technologies like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking ensuring confidence on every trip. Inside, the 2026 Carnival feels more like a luxury lounge than a family van. The 8-seater configuration is spacious, with premium materials, leather upholstery, and ambient lighting creating a warm and upscale atmosphere. The driver benefits from a modern digital cockpit, large infotainment screen, and seamless smartphone integration. The middle row offers generous legroom and comfortable seating, while the third row is designed to comfortably accommodate adults as well, making it practical for large families. Kia has also prioritized convenience, with multiple storage compartments, cup holders, and charging ports throughout the cabin. The Carnival is built for flexibility, as the rear seats can fold flat to expand cargo space, making it versatile for family vacations, shopping runs, or weekend adventures. The 2026 Kia Carnival 8-seater is more than just transportation, it's a lifestyle vehicle. With its stylish SUV-inspired exterior, smooth and reliable performance, and premium interior features, it sets a new benchmark in the family vehicle segment. For buyers looking for space without sacrificing luxury and modern design, the Carnival proves to be one of the most well-rounded options available today.